Hi everybody, I'm Danish Living. I will make a kind of butter bread today. Mix sugar and dried yeast with water first. Just let the yeast release in water. The rest of the ingredients needed are shown here. Egg and yolk can be replaced with the same amount of water if you like. You can mix the ingredients with a mixer or just mix them by hand. Add some butter when the dough gets mixed. Mixing around 10 minutes after adding butter. Form the dough into a round shape. Grease the container with some vegetable oil. Put the dough in the container and grease a bit oil on the surface of the dough. First proof for 1 hour or to the double in size. Press the air out of the dough. And divide them into 16 small pieces evenly. Form them in round pieces. Rest for around 15 minutes. Grease the baking form with softened butter. Reshape the small bread doughs again and put them in the baking form evenly. The second proof for 1 hour or till the double in size at a warm place. You can cut some small hearts with baking paper to put on the bread dough as decoration and sieve some flour on them. They look so beautiful after baking. The bread are so soft as cotton clouds. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.